I tried to do this video many times, but I don't think I'm gonna have the quality I want, so I'm just gonna say what I want here and see what I can make. So I'm from Brazil. I have just 18 years and I want to be a game developer. I mostly saw works on Unity and a bit of web development too. I'm doing system informations on a school, and there I learned a bit of web development, but just the basic. So with this channel I want to show my journey on this world of development and programming. So if you have any tips for me or you want to see my journey, you're free to subscribe to this channel. I'll try to post periodically, time at time, to keep a consistency on this channel. So the languages I mostly use is C#. I really like C#. I know JavaScript and TypeScript too. For frameworks I use React, but I'm not an expert. And for game development in specific, I'm trying to learn Unity with C#. Tried game development on Web 2 using React. And in the future, and I will show in this channel, I want to learn a bit of SQL and NoSQL for databases. And I want to understand more about front-end, back-end, and native apps. And I really like frameworks like Flutter, where you can use the same code for numerous devices. So you can use the same code and make for Mac, make for Linux, make for Windows, and you can make for cell phones too. I mostly use the JetBrains IDEs, Rider, WebStorm. I'm gonna use DataGrip for databases. I'm trying to learn a little bit, just for fun, just for a hobby, assembly language. I'm using your architecture x86-64 for Linux. This is a code I'm trying to do for read a name and attach to a message and print it. Not doing very well with this one. A little bit of prompts here, but I'm not trying to use really for generate code, more for understanding the problem and how this language works. I want to use this because in the future I want to do some shenanigans and try to make some tools in low-level language with this. I already kind of said about the assembly language, but I'm using Linux, and here I'm using Z Shell for my terminal. I'm using Linux Mint. If anyone have any tips for maybe this code or just programming in general, I would be happy to hear. You can comment in this video. I will try to give at least a decent quality for these videos, and please, if you like this video, give me a like so more people can see this video, and subscribe so you can follow me on this journey I'm trying to follow. If you like one of these languages or frameworks, you're free to follow and maybe help me, but mainly for see my journey. I want to be mainly a game developer. I have a lot of ideas, but not really the technical capacity for this. Remember, Jesus loves you, and see you next video, I guess.